Good morning, class. Standard 9 Physical Educations. Today we are starting with Section A Health and Hygiene, Chapter 1 Human Growth and Development. As we studied in biology, what is a human growth and developments? In this, very lightly you have to remember what is growth and development and between growth and development. What is the causes? How they growing, which environment, socially, individually, mentally, physically, how their body is growing. Regarding that, we will talk about the chapters, human growth and development. Now, growth. Growth is a comprises of height, weight, size, and shape of the body. A quantitative part of development stop at maturations. Development comprises physical, cognitive, social, and emotional changes. Quantitative and qualitative continues throughout the life. These are the physical, like child, newborn baby, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, it will come to 1 year, then 2 years. Likewise, stage by stage, the body will grow according to the years to go. In childhood, infancy, how they're rolling, how they're taking support from the parents, the catching power, body balance, everything will come that certain age develop. You keep on coming here, the body will develop. Everybody's came that way only. Nothing too hard to study in this. What you have seen day to day life, how child is growing up, then he'll become adult, he'll become older. You see, like your father, his father. Likewise, the age factors. When his years go, body also go down. When after 65 years, the body will become weak. It will come to the normal like a child. That is nature. Now, the human growth and development stages are there. Few stages. That stage is infancy. Infancy means from birth to up to 5 years. Learn through senses, imaginative thinking, curious, gross and fine motor skill development. Now I will come to the childhood, that is 5 to 12 years. Increased neuromuscular coordination, logical thinking, social and emotional development. Now I will come to the adolescence. This age is like school children up to 15 to 16 years. The maturity will come from this stage, that is 12 to 19 years. A transition phase between childhood and adulthood, emotional instability, rapid growth due to hormonal changes. Some people are 10 years old by become look like a man. The hormone changes will be happen different body to body. Now I will come to the growth influence. How the growth, the influencing factors. First we'll talk hereditary, that is the family, genetic way, transferred through the genes. Next, environment arise due to physical surrounding and society. Gender, arise due to gender differences. Now, nationality arise due to belonging to a nation. Which nation? Indians, South Africans, Americans, likewise. Nutrition arising due to eating habits. What you are eating in the childhood, like some people are like to eat non-veg, some children are like to eat junk food, like a chips, ice cream, likewise. So these are human growth and development. Now we will go the detail. What is the develop and human growth? Now growth is the progressive increase in the size of a child or parts of a child. Like 1 month baby, 2 month baby, 3 month baby, 9 month baby, 1 year baby, 2 year, 5 year, 6 year, 12 year. The adults will start from 12 to 19 years. This age is so crucial here for them. This age should be controlled. The emotional stability should bring them. Otherwise, they'll become like a naughties. Development is progressive acquisition of various skills, means abilities, such as head support, speaking, learning, expressing the feelings, and relating with other people. The growth and development together go together, but at different rates. Now, growth, it is a quantitative. It comprises of height, weight, size of shape of body, organs like brain, etc. It is due to cell division. It is for limited period. It can be measured. It tells about one aspect of personality, but in limited scope. Now I'll come to the development. It is quantitative as well as qualitative. It comprises of the physical, cognitive, social and emotional changes. It happens due to motor process and their interplay. It takes place till death. It can be observed by matured behavior. It deals with all aspects of personality and as a vast scope. So difference between growth and development. So you have to learn you for exam what is growth, what is development. Then what is the differentiate between growth and development. That is important portion for you this chapters. So differentiate difference between the growth and development. Growth is a whole process which includes growth of the body as well as growth of various aspects of child's personality, that is physical, emotional, social and cognitive developments. A development is a progressive change the child undergoes which increases the physical, social, mental and emotional capacities of the child. In the early stages of life, these changes are constructive, and after and emotional capacities, middle age, there are destructive changes in the body which lead to old age. The growth and development of every child take place according to his her own schedule. This means that every child has his own pattern of growth and development during the different stage of group. Various changes related to physical, mental, social, emotional and motor development take place. The stages of growth can be classified into following stages along with their characteristics. Everything have the characteristics. What is the definition of that? So first I will come to the infancy. Infancy, what will have the infancies? How the first month, how the child will be grow, like a rolling, moving, walking on a four leg with hand and leg support, standing with the support, standing without support, walking with support, walking without support. Likewise, infancy means childhood, infant. The stage of birth of end of 5 years of age is child called infancy. This is a new word in Roman Latin words, infancy. In this stage, grasping power of infant brain becomes very fast. The power of memory also increases. The infant is able to remember the incident of the past immediately. His thinking ability also increases. The infant understands the language clearly and speak accordingly. His capability to know new words increases and starts understanding the simple conversation of adults. In this stage, the curiosity drive of the infant also increases, and the infant tries to ask various questions and are easily satisfied by the answer of elder persons. Normally, children ask the question of when you are a child, when you are in 3 5 years old, you ask your mother, "What is this, ma? How is this come? What is how is run?" Lot of question will rise in this age. Already gone, we came from that way only. When you are a child, this happening, it happened to you. The behavior infants depend upon imaginations. In this stage, the infant learn the activities related to the motor skills such as walking, running, jumping, catching, throwing, etc. In this way, they start using their physical organs, internal organs, and sensory organs in a balanced way. They do whatever they like and leave what they don't like. Whichever items you want, you will play with that. The child normally will take whichever they like, they'll take, other throw it and go. So likewise, next, childhood. This is after the 5 years. Childhood 5 to 12 years will comes. The childhood stage begins from 5 years and end of the 12 years. In this stage, the children are able to have enough control of their muscles. Their development becomes very fast. Their neuromuscular coordination becomes different, efficient. In this stage, the concentration power of the children increases, but they cannot concentrate for a long time. Their thinking ability increases at a fast rate. Their power of memory, logic, thinking, and decision making increases remarkably. By the end of this stage, they learn to control their emotions. During this stage, their social qualities development in them very quickly. In this stage, children are more curious, courageous, imaginative, and adventurous. They usually follow the persons whom they admire blindly. In this stage, they have best motor learning ability. This stage, what are the elders doing, they'll repeat. They'll catch up. Oh, he did that. That catching power automatically comes, seeing others. Now, physical characteristics. The adolescence, next, adolescence. Adolescence means after 12 to 19 is called adolescence. Then maturity will comes. Now you are that stage. You are in 8th standard, maybe 11, 12, 13 years, 14 years. You are in that stage. Maturity is beginning. Understand the situation emotionally, surrounding, socially. This is a stage to understand and control all the emotional feelings. Adolescence, this is a stage of complex changes which begins after childhood and end before adulthood. Generally, it is supposed to that the adolescent stage begins from 12 years and remains till 19 years. Therefore, it is called teenage. During this stage, the growth of adolescence becomes spontaneous. Some characteristic of this stage are, that is, physical characteristics. The adolescent period, many physical changes take place spontaneously. The development of internal and external sexual organs begins in the adolescence rapidly. During the period of 12 to 14 years, various changes can be, especially in the girls. In this stage, menstrual cycle begins in the girls and the nightfall in boys. A hair starts appearing in the axilla and pubic region. The enlargement of breast begins in girls. There are changes in voice also. Boys have broad chest, broad shoulders, and normal buttock, whereas girls have less broad shoulder and chest. The hips of girls become very broad and legs become round. Owing to such changes, they become restless, impatient, worried, and upset naturally because they do not have complete knowledge about such changes. Due to this reason, their activities are not balanced. This is a confusion mind. What should do? They don't know anything at that stage. Somebody should explain about what is body changing is happen. That's why we have elderly person in our home. Suppose the girls got matured, uh, the elders woman or mother explain to her, this happened, this is a life. Somebody should to explain to the girl to understand the problem of the human. Next, mental characteristics. The physical growth and mental growth so simultaneously, but it is not applicable for all the adolescents. It has been seen in case of some adolescents that they lag behind in mental growth in the previous stage, though they achieve physical maturity much earlier. In fact, they achieve mental growth later on when they are able to go into the depth of think. They demand self-respect, dignity, and growth, self-independence. They remain in stress and become worried easily. They also indulge in daydreaming. This age is a crucial, normally we call this a crucial stage. If this stage will be proper, you come up and across this problem, then you will become a good human. Otherwise, we have seen a lot of children, those who are not gone to school, they change to a route, they gone for wrong way, like taking drugs, drug addicts, and doing all the criminal work. This is a stage to control your emotional, socially, mentally, and physically. You have to be careful on this stage. 12 to 19 years, this is for you. You have to be very cautious about this stage. If you gone taken any wrong decision, that will spoil your whole life. So that's why the parents are advising you to do this thing, good things, don't do this. They're always advising you. Even teacher also advising you not to do, what to do. Good things you must learn. How to look after yourself, how to talk to others, how to behave in the outside and inside. This sort of things should learn. Emotional characteristics. This is the most important. Some children often, if somebody is told something, immediately they'll get anger, aggressiveness. Immediately get anger and get something and pick up and bang them. They won't think what is happening. They do, but realize after very late they will realize what I did that is wrong. That at the moment they won't think. They want to take revenge. Somebody scolded me. I want to take revenge. They won't think about others. What is going uh, in future? So this is a crucial stage for you. The life of an adolescent is full of emotions. They are sometimes happy and at the same time sad and depressed. Usually they are emotionally disgusted and disturbed. This stage is disturbed totally. Next, social characteristics. Usually the adolescents adopt the way which is selected by them, but they socially create various obstacles in their way. In such a condition, the adolescents revolt against the traditions and customs of the society. During this stage, friends are very important for them. Now everybody is now go. My friends is there. I want to help them. This is the stage the friendship growing. There is a good friend also there, bad friend also there. There is a good friend who guide you in good way to bring the correct way to go, lead your life. Some friends are bad, they will guide, some misguide you, go this way and this way, nothing will happen. So many are there, we are seeing day to day basis. So this age is totally different from other stages. No adulthood. After this, after 19 years, you will become an adult. Would means like a man and woman. The stage from 19 years of age to 65 years, handover is called adulthood. By this time, most of the boys' growth has taken place. Many more changes occur as adults continue to age, which are mainly caused to external factors like hormonal activity, hereditary, nutrition, physical activity, and social cultural factors. So when become an adult, so you need a, suppose you are studying there, went to college after 19 years, you have finished your degree and searching for job, you got job and applying and you want to settle in your life, you will get married, then you want to buy a house for your family and lead a family life, and after 40 years we need to, uh, children need something financially you have to keep for them, for wealth, for welfare of the children. Then that's likewise growing, then the tension will comes, then girl and boy will get marriage age, the adulthood, like when you cross the 40 years they'll think about children to get married, settle down their life. So this is called adulthood life. More responsibility, like a father mother having same responsibility taken. My children should grow in good way, study good way, and get a good knowledge about good behavior. So every parents want to try to protect their children, their future children's. They will settle down, they want to build a house, they want to provide everything for the children's. That is responsibility age, normally called as the head of the family, father or mother or grandfather, whoever it is. They're thinking only good for the families. So these adulthood totally matured what to do to their siblings, their offsprings. So this type of feelings, when you reach your adulthood, you will have the same feelings. Everyone is having, everyone going through the same. There's nothing new. You are learning everything. When you are born, you are born to learn. Day to day, we are seeing what is happening. It is how we are growing. If you see your first photography of your childhood, now you will see your childhood photos. Now 10 years photos will see. There is a different, lot of difference. The growth, that is called human growth. Which environment they are growing. Some people are there is no environment, like no ventilator house they're staying, and surrounding lot of mosquitoes, something. That stage also there. Children growing from there, that areas. The different on environment and social society, between which society they are living. The different and totally individuals. So good morning class. Stay home.